In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix sign-in problem in Minecraft, which is error code drowned. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various solutions, and the first one we have is check your internet connection. Check your internet connection. Alright, so ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. Run a speed test to verify your connection quality. Another thing you can take is temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if they're interfering with Minecraft's connection. The next one is restart Minecraft and your device. So restart Minecraft and your device. Alright, so quit Minecraft completely and then restart your device. If you're using a launcher, then try clearing its cache or reinstalling it. The next one is update Minecraft and Java, because you need Java to run Minecraft. So upgrade Minecraft and Java. So make sure you have the latest versions of Minecraft and Java installed, because outdated versions can cause issues. So regularly check the Minecraft and Java websites for updates. The next one is verify your Minecraft account. So verify your Minecraft account. So double check your Minecraft account login credentials to ensure they're correct. And if you're still having trouble, contact Minecraft support for further assistance. So alright guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.